Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I would like to show you how to bring in data from an image in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever had to do this, for example, grab a screenshot from perhaps a magazine article or something online and bring the data into Excel to use, you know how frustrating this can be. You often end up retyping it. But now, Excel has a built-in capability that you can use. So I have already created the file that we'll use, and you can find a link to it in the video description below this video. I'm working in a blank workbook, and to get the data in, I will go to the Data tab on the ribbon, and then in the left-hand section, Get and Transform Data, I'll click From Picture, Picture from File. You can also bring in data from the clipboard, from File, and then in my sample file folder, I have data from picture, and I wanted to make this as clear as possible what we're getting. So here are the 5 values. I'll double click the photo, or rather the image, and over on the right, I have the data, and there's a preview here, so I can make sure that the values match up with what I had up above. So I'll click Insert Data. I am reminded that I'm responsible for validating the accuracy. That's fine. So I'll click Insert Data, and it has been pasted in, starting with the active cell. I had selected cell A1. And that's all there is to it. It used to take a lot of work to get data from an image into Microsoft Excel, but now with the built-in capabilities, it's much easier. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.